Today we will show how to buy shares of Coca-Cola Europacific Partners using a broker as an example. Coca-Cola Europacific Partners is a large beverage bottler that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CCEP. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type CCEP to locate the correct listing. Make sure you select the Coca-Cola Europacific Partners entry on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information, the price chart, and recent updates. Confirm the symbols CCEP and the NASDAQ listing so you are looking at the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and choose order options if available. Then review the details. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same steps.